Hello folks, I am back yet again for another review here, and today we are taking a look at this. This is a Scale Trains Rivet Counter GAT, GATC 4180 CF airside covered hopper in the branches I think it is, candy GACX hashtag 47484 phase HC with the Apex roof walk. Original price on this is $66.99 Canadian dollars, but I got this for $46.99. I believe this is one of Scale Trains' first covered hoppers, as this is a 2015 model. For those who don't know, Scale Train was founded in 2015. At least I believe they were, from what I remember. So yeah, that's what this is. This is my first true color Scale Trains model. Never had a true color one before, so I don't know what the difference will be, but yeah, pretty interesting. So yeah, let's take a look at this. I believe this is a roller bearing, moving roller bearing one. As you can see, this one's practically brand new. There is no, what do you want to call it, creasing in the box. So one of the reasons why I picked this one up was because of that. And there is a manual in here. Nothing else in the box. Of course, the good Scale Trains manuals. I do like these ones, although I do wish they were in color. I know they do color for their locomotives, but I think color would have been a lot cooler and better looking for the hoppers and stuff. But yeah, this is a very, very big manual. Very big. I wonder if this warranty is still good. But yeah, here's all the parts. It's a pretty extensive sheet. I cannot fit it all in my one-time lens here. But yeah, that's everything. How many parts are there? There seems to be quite a lot. Although they aren't numbered, unfortunately. But yeah, the underframes on these are quite crazy, in my opinion. But yeah, let's actually move on to the model here. So here it is, in the box, or on the box, you do get spare roller bearings, which I actually do need for my other hoppers. Alright. No factory seal, though. And yeah, oh, wow. Just amazing. There it is. Look at all that underside detail. Great looking, I have to say. There we go. Be careful with this one. But yeah, there it is. Looks pretty nice. Look at all that underside detail. Very nice. Like I said, I think this is one of Scale Train's first release. Although I'm not entirely sure on that, don't quote me. But yeah, the top here, the walkway is see-through. This is see-through as well. I don't think these open. Yeah, there'd be no point anyways, really. Yeah, and these are moving. Yes, they are. I mean, why else would there be spare axle ends? And these couplers seem to be pretty good. This one does seem to be drooping a little bit. This one's pretty sturdy. But yeah, it looks pretty good. As these are um, hoppers and stuff, these aren't locomotives. I can't really do a prototypical accuracy comparison. Now, yes, I would love to do that, but it's just finding photos that aren't copyrighted are very hard to find. So yeah. Alright, folks, let's move on to the coupler height test. Alrighty, folks, so I have the branches candy here, and I have my trusty tangent scale hopper for the coupler height test, which I don't think I actually did this in my last video. I might have, I don't remember now. But yeah, let's see now. Is it correct? This is built to the Enum Raves. No, it's low. Womp womp. Alright, let's try the other side of Ye Hopper. And it is... I think that's good. Yeah, might be a touch high, but it's close enough to call it good. Alright, let's see the free rolling test. Alright, so for the free rolling test here, we're going to do a baseline here with my tangent scale hopper, just so we can see how far it rolls. I'm just going to set it here and give it a little bit of a push. Alright, so about you here. It made. Alright, so let's try it again. Now with the scale trains hopper. Alright, let's try here. That's a bit better. A little bit better. Oh yeah, and I just realized something now. My tangent scale hopper here is actually the same hopper as my scale trains ones, and I have two of the same for once. Alright, let's move on to the 18 radius test. I mean, not 18 radius, 20-second radius test. Alrighty, folks, so let's try here for the 20-second radius test. I think this will be perfectly fine. There's no reason in my mind that it wouldn't do it, considering it's, such a small car. I think it'll do perfectly fine, but, of course, only a test will tell. So let's see here, I have it with my scale train Givo, with short shank Katie knuckle couplers. So let's see here. And it is good. Try it forwards. It is good. Yep, that passed successfully. Alright, let's try one more test here now. Just with another car so we can get a definitive answer if it's good. Of course, just by itself, or if it's good with multiple cars. The car I'm going to be putting behind it is the tangent scale hopper. Because, of course, why not? So let's reverse it here. See how we do. Coming around. And it is good. Yep. Successful. No issues whatsoever. Forwards. Yeah, it is perfectly fine. Alright. Successful 20-second radius test. On to running trains. Alrighty, folks, I hope y'all enjoyed this little review here. And yeah, I gotta say, this Scale Trains covered hopper is, yeah, pretty good. I can't find any faults in the paint, no glue stains, no anything like that, which is, yeah, pretty good. Usually there are some, but with this one there aren't. And it looks like none of the rotating axle bearings aren't gonna fall off this time, which I'm not sure why sometimes they fall off. I just think it's partially due to the manufacturer not gluing them on. Once again, if they just glued them on, they wouldn't be falling off. So, yeah, I think it would have been better if they just glued them on. But regardless, though, yeah, very, very nice. And yeah, I give this car definitely a pass. If you're looking to get some, I definitely pick them up while they last. There are still a couple left if you're looking for them at Credit Valley Model Railroad. I believe they sell them online as well. I haven't really looked yet, but yeah, should be there if you guys are looking for some. But yeah, thank you folks so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you on the next one, folks. Alright, folks, please like and subscribe if you can, or if you want to. Alright, folks, thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye, folks.